What are the business advantages of being SWIFT CSP compliant? 1. Enhanced security and risk mitigation. Reduced risk of cyber attacks. By implementing SWIFT CSP controls, institutions can safeguard against fraud, malware, and other cyber threats. Improved incident response. Proactive monitoring and response mechanisms minimize downtime and financial losses. Business impact. A secure environment reduces the risk of costly breaches and protects the institution's financial assets. 2. Increased customer trust and confidence. Customers demand secure financial transactions and data privacy. SWIFT CSP compliance assures customers that the institution adheres to the highest security standards. Business impact. Satisfied customers are more likely to remain loyal, boosting long-term profitability. 3. Regulatory compliance and avoidance of penalties. Many financial regulators require institutions to meet stringent cybersecurity standards. SWIFT CSP compliance ensures adherence to these requirements, reducing the risk of fines or legal actions. Business impact. Staying compliant not only avoids penalties but also enhances the institution's reputation among regulators and partners. 4. Competitive advantage in the market. Differentiation. Being SWIFT CSP compliant sets your institution apart as a secure and reliable partner. Increased business opportunities. Many organizations prefer to collaborate with compliant institutions, opening doors to new partnerships and markets. Business impact. Compliance demonstrates a commitment to security and reliability, which can attract high-value clients and investors. SWIFT CSP compliance is not just about security, it's about building trust, staying compliant, and gaining a competitive edge in the financial industry. If you want to learn more about achieving SWIFT CSP compliance or need expert assistance, reach out to us at Vista InfoSec. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights on financial cybersecurity.